Welcome to Compass. My name is Aryan Patel, and I'm a third-year biomedical sciences major.
My name is Aliana, and I'm a second-year electrical engineering major.
My name is Mark Bennett, and I'm a third-year mechanical engineering student.
My name is Justin Siriel, and I'm a third-year data science major.
My name is Kirtana Nair, and I am a third-year aerospace engineering major.
My name is Tyler Smith, a second-year biomedical science student.
My name is Carla Chavez, and I'm currently a second year at UCF studying forensic science with the chemistry track. This fall semester, I'll be your Compass lead mentor.
Compass is a part of the Excel Compass program designed to help students who are undecided in their major and who possibly want to pursue STEM.
It can feel very isolating to enter college and not know what you want to study. And for me, this was the case. But by being a part of Compass and being surrounded by other students who are undecided in their major, it made me feel a lot less alone in the whole process of having to choose my major. And it also gave me different perspectives on what other people wanted to study and why, which in turn helped me choose my major.
One of the main reasons I chose Compass is because I was still deciding on what I wanted to do and kind of figure out if the path that I was going to take was actually for me. It was actually a really good place for guidance, not only in academics and getting people's ideas on what courses to take, but also surrounding people who were going through the same thing that I was going through and also who've already been through those things. So it gave me a mindset and an environment where I could figure things out while feeling supported from others.
Being surrounded by other STEM majors helped me feel more confident to know which classes to take, which professors to take, and which clubs to join, which aligned with my major.
As part of the Compass program, you have access to a mentor who's an upper-level student, also studying something in the STEM fields.
In a mentor meeting, you'll discuss a variety of different topics with your mentor. For example, your mentor is going to ask you how you're doing in your STEM classes, such as your math and your science classes. They're also going to ask you about what majors you're potentially thinking about pursuing and why.
For me, talking to my mentor, who was someone around my age, was a lot less intimidating, and it was nice to have someone who had already been through my shoes. You can say a lot of things that might be a little more personal, like even if it's not school related, it could be like social life or how to balance your classes.
One thing that really stuck with me was how they were able to encourage me to look into undergraduate research, which is something that I'm actually involved now. So it wasn't just advice, it was guidance that I actually still use to this day.
Your mentors will also host multiple social events as well as host one-on-one meetings with you. This is to help you meet other students who have similar interests as you. And it is also to make sure that you feel supported by them, your peers, and the program as you adjust to UCF.
Excel social events are always a great opportunity to have fun and to meet new people. Going there, I was able to meet a lot of new people and make some friends that I still talk to today.
Some of the events that I went to during my first semester were the movie nights and game nights. They gave me the chance to meet people from different STEM majors, which I really appreciated because it gave me the opportunity to see different perspectives and different career paths and goals that people had. I also met people who were also involved in different organizations, which introduced me to opportunities I didn't even know about before. It wasn't just the social aspect, it helped me grow and get more connected to people on campus, so I had a bigger network to work with.
It's kind of hard to open up socially, and you may feel kind of nervous talking to new people. But with the Excel community, it's taking such a large population, you're chunking it down to not only a smaller population, but a population that is actually relevant to people that might share your same study habits, your same goals.
Being a part of a smaller STEM community at a larger university has been very beneficial. It can feel very daunting to enter UCF and realize that there's thousands of STEM students, and it might feel really hard to make deep and meaningful connections. But being a part of Excel/Compass has really helped me connect with my peers who are in my classes, and it's also allowed me to easily access resources that I need to succeed in my STEM classes.
One of the biggest benefits of studying with people in the same course is that it makes everything feel more comfortable. You start seeing familiar faces, and it becomes easier to talk, ask questions, and collaborate with people.
What I enjoyed most about the Excel community was that my classes contained the same group of people. This created a sense of familiarity, which made it easier to build connections.
Having access to tutors that can help you work through a problem and deeply understand the concepts that you're learning is essential to helping you pass your math classes.
I liked going in the center because it provided a sense of motivation for us to study. Because when we were in there, we were held accountable with each other to focus on what we were doing and kind of get through studying and learn different perspectives and ways to solve the problem.
Also, the Excel Center really encourages collaboration with your peers who are also taking the same classes as you. And it's really helpful to work with other people on the same exact problem and putting all your brains together to solve it.
In the career exploration course, students get the opportunity to explore and learn about different majors that they may be interested in, as well as different career paths that they may want to take after college. Between the classwork that is done to determine your strengths and weaknesses, and guest lecturers that will come into lecture to talk about their careers, you learn a lot about the different career paths you can take and majors that you may want to do.
One of the most important parts of the course will be the speakers that come in and talk about their day-to-day lives at their jobs. They're going to offer you guys advice on how to get into these fields, and they may also offer pros and cons about working the jobs that they have. I know for me, seeing one of the speakers talk about their job at Duke Energy really helped me realize what major I wanted to study, and it also helped me envision what type of job I wanted to have in the future.
Excel Compass gave me a group or a community from day one. There were always people willing to answer my questions and provide the help that I needed.
Being at college should allow you to explore your options and not make you feel like you're bound to one choice. And I really feel that Compass and Excel program has allowed me to do that.
Welcome to UCF.
Go Knights, charge on!